Google using your Gmail to train AI without you ever clicking yes. Your private emails, invoice, sensitive documents, all sitting in your inbox can be used to improve your smart features and AI models. And the worst part, for many people, this is turned on by default. In this video, I'll show you the two hidden Gmail settings you must turn it off right now if you care about your privacy. So follow me step by step on screen. It takes less than 3 minutes. Before we start the work, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and digital purposes to help you protect your privacy. What you choose with this information is entirely up to you. Alright, here why this is a big deal. Your Gmail inbox is a gold mine of personal information like bank and payment receipts, travel tickets, and hotel bookings, work contracts and confidential attachment, password receipts, email, and security alerts. All of that is extremely valuable data to train AI system. Recently, many users noticed that Google had auto-enabled certain smart features that allow it to scan your emails and attachments to predict text while you type, categorize your inbox automatically, generate and summarize suggestions. This sounds helpful, but the trade-off is that your emails are continuously processed and analyzed in the background. Google says this is to improve your experience. But if you are watching this video, you probably don't want your entire email history feeding any AI model, now or in the future. Let's break it down. Open your Gmail browser. In the top right, click the setting icon. Click See All Setting. Now we are inside of the full setting menu. Make sure that you are in a General tab. Scroll down until you see something like Smart Features. This is the first critical setting and it's often on by default. When this is on, you agree to let Gmail, chat, and Meet use your content and activity in these products to provide smart features and personalize your experience. Select Off. Once you turn it off and reload your Gmail, Gmail will stop using your email content to power those smart features inside of it. But we are not done. There's a second layer that affects other Google products too, and that's where most people get caught. Right under the first setting, you should see something like Google Workspace Smart Features and a link or a button that says Manage Workspace Smart Features Setting. This is where things get scary. Click that. You are now on a Google account setting page that controls how your Gmail data is used in other Google services like Google Assistant, Google Map, Google Pay, and other Google products that pull information from your inbox. When this is on, your email content can be used to show reminders based on your booking services, tracking numbers automatically, help Google Assistant answer questions about your flight, bills, and more again. But it means your email content is being processed and integrated across multiple services. If you don't want your Gmail to act as a data feed for all these products, turn these settings off one by one. So you're going to click it off. Alright, let's be honest about the trade-off so you're not surprised. With these settings off, you may lose automatic sorting into primary social promotion, a smart composes suggestion as you type, auto-generated reminders based on invoice or booking, some smart suggestion and other Google product. But here's what you gain. Much more control over how your emails and attachments are used. Reduce the risk of your private conversation being fed into AI system. Peace of mind that you didn't accidentally say yes to something you never understood. If this video worked for you, so hit the like and subscribe button for more amazing content that every single week I'm creating.